you they come Stamford Bridge on Monday.
Yes, sir.
The bad thing I say, them done beat us before for this season, and them big club will get big name. But the good thing I say, now there it end. Big name na the only thing where them get now. And now, we go show them say, no be the same Chelsea where them beat, them go see again.
Hey!
Ande and Jorginho.
Sir?
Now get midfield for that game. As Pogba and McTominay no there to disturb una.
Okay, sir.
Rudiger.
Sir?
Don't forget to try shine for us during set piece.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I go play for the match. I never sabi. On that day, I go do tembo inside you and Caballero, who go be our goalie.
Anyway, I just dey talk because if Auntie Marina Granovskia here say on top the money where them use buy me, you dey bench me. She fit vex, go tell Oga Abramovich, say make him sack you.
What? Where do you talk?
No, me I just dey make observation.
Come here, come kneel down. You go tell me whether na she go come do my work for me. This boy, I don't see say you dey very stubborn. Sorry been want me, but I tell him say I go handle you. If we dismiss from here, now you go wash all the beeps where we take do training and pack all the Congo arrange for store. Foolish boy.
Red Devils!
Ahoo! Ahoo! Ahoo!
Them say injury nigga Grios play bell on Monday. But I can remember say, na saw them take talk last season against PSG. Them say na Stamford Bridge with a girl, and our fam no good. But I can remember say, na the same thing where them take when we go Paris last season. Them say as Pogba and MC Taminai no day, our midfield then finish. But them forget say Chelsea no get keeper. Them Chemtech say as Rashford no dey our game, na share lose. But less them forget say we still get Messiel and Igalel. Now my base, I want ask you, no be the same Chelsea we trash 4-0?
Not them!
I mean, the Chelsea we chep 4-0 for our hand this season. No be them still did that Stamford Bridge?
Not them!
Make we go use our fire, bend down the bridge, and evaporate the water Jane.
Hey!
The bridge for Stamford get fell down. The bridge for Stamford get fell down. When the Devils arrive to take their 3 points, the bridge for Stamford get fell down.